Is it the right time to make a decision about Meta stock? Today, we will be delving deep into Meta. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, November 8, 2023. Now, we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. To stay updated on our latest analysis, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell. You wouldn't want to miss any crucial updates that could potentially impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and access free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since November 7, 2023, our system has identified Meta as a buy candidate with a score of 2.58. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. The stock has shown a gain of 0.3%. This means it has delivered an average return of 0.15% per day since being classified as a buy candidate. The stock is currently in the middle of a wide and weak rising trend in the short term, indicating the potential for further growth. Based on the recent 3-month trend, there is a projected 6.92% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from -2.57% to 11.87%. Looking at the 12-month trend, there is a predicted 213.27% change over the next year, with a potential return between 190.97% and 246.4%. This suggests a price range of $930.48 to $1,107.72 after 12 months. Our latest update on Meta's stock shows a positive trend. On Wednesday, November 8, 2023, the stock price increased by 0.301%, rising from $318.82 to $319.78. This marks the 4th consecutive day of gains. It will be interesting to see if this upward trend continues or if there will be a minor pause in the coming days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated between a low of $314.88 and a high of $321.33, representing a 2.05% difference. In the past 2 weeks, the price has risen by 6.76% and has experienced gains in 7 out of the last 10 days. The trading volume decreased by 1 million shares on the last day, with a total of 12 million shares exchanged, valued at approximately $3.98 billion. It's important to note that a decrease in volume at higher prices can indicate a potential divergence and serve as an early warning for upcoming changes in the market. Looking at the stock's performance over the past 52 weeks, the highest price reached was $330.54, while the lowest price was $100.74. Currently, the stock is trading at a price 3.25% below its 52-week high, which amounts to a difference of $10.76. Furthermore, it is 16.8% below its all-time high, which was recorded on September 1, 2021, when the price reached $384.33. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, October 26, 2023, Needham gave Meta an underperform grade with a hold action. On the same day, KeyBank rated Meta as overweight with a hold action. Goldman Sachs gave Meta a buy grade with a hold action. Roth Capital also rated Meta as a buy with a hold action. Barclays gave Meta a buy grade with a hold action. Analysts have given Meta stock a general rating of buy. They consider the PE ratio to be a strong buy and price to book as strong buy. In terms of return on investment, the analysts give the stock a rating of neutral. Let's take a look at the signals for Meta stock. The Meta stock is showing positive signs as both short and long-term moving averages indicate a buy signal. Additionally, the short-term average is currently above the long-term average, reinforcing the positive forecast. If the stock experiences any downward corrections, it will find support at $313.28 and $309.35. However, if it breaks below these levels, it will issue sell signals. On Thursday, October 26, 2023, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point, resulting in a 10.9% increase so far. The stock is expected to rise further until a new top pivot is found. It's worth noting that volume declined during the last trading day despite the price gains, creating a divergence that may serve as an early warning. Pay close attention to this stock. Negative signals have also been identified, which could impact its short-term development. Furthermore, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, is currently indicating a sell signal. Here are some other signals that you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, it's showing a sell signal. Pivots, it's indicating a buy signal 10 days ago. Bollinger, it's also indicating a buy signal 10 days ago. Short-term moving average, it's showing a buy signal 7 days ago. Long-term moving average, it's showing a buy signal 7 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages is indicating a buy signal 3 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we can observe the following. The short moving average is showing a buy signal 7 days ago. The long-term moving average is showing a buy signal 9 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages is indicating a buy signal 203 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Today, let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Meta. When it comes to support, Meta has 2 key levels to watch out for. The first one is at $297.74, just below today's level. If the stock breaks this support, it may fall to the next level at $288.35. So, keep an eye on these levels to gauge potential price movements. Now, let's talk about the risk involved. Whenever a stock tests a support level, there is a natural risk of it breaking. In Meta's case, if the support at $297.74 is broken, the next support level can be found at $288.35 and $283.25. So, it's important to be aware of these levels and adjust your strategy accordingly. Moving on to volatility, Meta has average movements during the day in good trading volume. This puts the risk at a medium level. In the last day, the stock had a price range of $6.45 or 2.05% between its high and low points. Over the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 2%. Let's begin by exploring some important fundamental data before we discuss potential good trading levels for Meta. One of the key metrics we need to consider is the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. For Meta, the PE ratio falls within a normal range. This is often observed in businesses with extensive track records or predictable revenue streams. Moving on, the upcoming earnings report for Q4 2023 is scheduled for January 30, 2024. Today, let's dive into potential day trading levels for Meta. If Meta follows an upward trend, the first resistance level to watch out for is at $321.84. If you're not currently holding any shares, it might be wise to wait until this level is breached before entering a position. However, for those who already own the stock, this could be an interesting level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Meta faces its first support level at $297.74. If this support level holds, it could serve as a promising entry point, with the potential for a rebound. The consensus among multiple analyst sources is that Meta is rated as a buy. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. Among the 5 most recent insider trades, Zuckerberg Mark stands out. He bought and sold a total of 14,407 shares or options in the company. When analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of -45.799. Overall, insiders have purchased 128,700 shares and sold 348,106 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss for this stock is set at $308.91, which represents a decrease of 3.4%. This particular stock exhibits moderate daily movements, indicating a medium level of risk. We have identified a buy signal from a pivot bottom that was observed 9 days ago. Is Meta stock a good buy? Based on several short-term signals and a positive overall trend, there is a fair chance for Meta stock to perform well in the short term, making it a potential buying opportunity. However, upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, November 9th, we anticipate Meta stock to open down by $1.12 and start trading at $318.66. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading carries a high risk of financial loss. Always consult with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Please be aware that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using this information, you acknowledge and assume responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we'll be discussing our current view of the stock. We want to hear from you, so don't forget to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Let's start a conversation. And if you enjoy our content, remember to like and subscribe. We're here to support your trading success. Have a wonderful day from all of us at Stock Invest.